Hello, my dear students. How are you all? Hope you are doing well. Okay. So, today is our first class. Let's start it. Our first chapter is rational numbers. You might be familiar with the word rational numbers. Might have heard in your previous classes, right? And you have studied about various types of numbers also in your previous classes. For example, natural numbers, a quick revision, whole numbers, integers, and so on. Correct. So, what are natural numbers? All counting numbers, including 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Then, whole numbers. What are whole numbers? All counting numbers, including 0. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. And so on. Integers are both the natural numbers also, whole numbers, and negative numbers also. Negative integers we can say minus, 0, and positive. Basically it represents on number line 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. It goes like this. And here minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, and it goes on. Few facts about number line I'll tell you later. So here, this you know. So now here, moving ahead, we will study about the rational numbers. Now a question pops up in your mind, ma'am, what is rational number? So a very easy definition of rational number is any number in the form of any number which is in the form of P upon Q, where Q is not equals to 0. Where Q is not equals to 0 and P and Q are integers. They are known as rational numbers. Okay. So rational numbers are further classified Let's first know about the examples of rational number. 3 upon 4 minus 2 upon 7. Are these both rational numbers? Why not? They are in the form of P upon Q, so they are rational numbers. This is positive rational number, this is negative rational number. 0 is also a rational number because it can be written in the form of 0 upon 1, P upon Q. But you cannot say that 1 upon 0 is a rational number because it is not defined. Am I clear? Now moving ahead, we will study the first part of the chapter in 5 parts. In 5 points actually. So first one is introduction of rational number, what I have told you right now. Then properties of rational number, we'll study it about it. Then standard form, actually it is between it only, but I have make it separate point. So here next will be comparison of rational numbers, and last will be few things I'll tell you. I told you earlier also that few things I'll tell you about the number line. Okay, so moving ahead now, properties of rational number. What are properties of rational numbers? There are basically 3 main properties of rational numbers. First, if A upon B is a rational number, then M is a non-integer, then A upon B is equals to A upon B into N upon M. Ma'am, कुछ समझ नहीं आया? No problem. I am there. I'll tell you. See, any number minus 2 upon 7. You have taken minus 2 upon 7. Minus 2 upon 7 into 2 upon any non-zero. Non-zero, you understand? A number except 0. 1, 2, 3, 4 till infinity. Any number. But it should not be 0. Minus 2 by 7. A multiply with which number you are multiplying with the numerator, you have to multiply with the denominator as well. Got it? So here minus 4 by 14. Then comes minus 2 by 7. Same number you have to multiply. Minus 6 by 21. Then minus 2 upon 7 multiply. 4 by 4 is equals to minus 8 upon 28. Then same minus 2 upon 7 multiply 5 by 5 is equals to minus 10 by 35. Clear? One thing, if you observe here, minus 4 by 14, if we simplify it, it will get the answer of minus 2 by 7. Then minus 6 by 21, we will get minus 2 by 7. Minus 8 by 28, minus 2 by 7. Minus 10 by 35, minus 2 by 7. So here the conclusion is that and it justifies the other name of the property also, which is equivalent rational numbers, because if we simplify, all the numbers are equal. Got it? Now we comes to the second property. If a upon b is a rational number and m is a common divisor of a and b, then a upon b is equals to a divided by m upon b divided by m. Very easy. In first, what we were doing, we were multiplying the same number. In second, we are dividing the same number. No problem. Minus 32 by 40. Same number, same divisor of the both the numbers. We can divide it by 8. So minus 4 divided by, answer will come 5. So minus 4 by 5 is the answer. Clear? So now under the property 2 only, after the property 2 or under the property 2, we can say that standard form of a rational number. We will study about the standard form of a rational number. What is this? Standard form or lowest term or simplify. Same in one way. Like a rational number a upon b is said to be in standard form if a and b are integers having no common divisor other than 1. It means that the HCF should be 1 and b must be positive. B is positive. B is the denominator. If b is not positive, then how we will do? Like here it is a upon minus b. Fraction is given here like this. Now we have they are asking to convert it in the standard form. We have to write it in the standard form now. Now how we will do? So we will first of all change it in the positive denominator. Okay, so here minus 1 multiplied by minus 1. As you all know, minus is multiplied by minus, then it becomes plus. So minus a upon b. Clear? B is positive. Let's take an example. Minus 33 divided by 44. Minus 33 divided by 44. We have to express it in the standard form. How we will do? It is same. No. Sign here. So first of all, same 33 multiplied by minus 1 minus 44 multiplied by minus 1 is equals to minus 33 upon minus plus 44, because minus is multiplied by minus, then plus. Now by which number we shall divide it? HCF na? HCF, we want to know the HCF. So just take out the HCF. 33. Then 44. So number is divisible, commonly divisible by 11. Okay. It is not the HCF. Basically, I have taken out the number which is divisible. Okay. By which the number is divisible. So it is 11 minus 3 by 4. Clear? Now, moving forward is the next property. Here, the next property is let A upon B and C upon D be two rational numbers. These are the two rational numbers, and if we cross multiply this, A upon B and C upon D, if we cross multiply them, so A into D is always equals to C into, according to this property. Okay, but it is not required, that's why we are not going in deep to understand the property. You just have to know the property and it is sufficient here. Okay, so now we are going to understand the next point is comparison of rational numbers. Comparison of rational numbers, how do we compare the numbers? Suppose 2 by 3 and 4 by 5. Now we have to compare both the numbers. Clear? Next example is this only. We have to compare both the numbers. The first thing what we have to do, we have to know the LCM of the numbers 3 and 5. So what is the LCM? It is very easy, 15. So what we have to do, we have to divide it, multiply it by this number 10 upon 15, and 4 by 5 multiply 3 by 3, then 12 upon 15. Now you can easily tell which number is greater, right? Because denominators are same. So 10 is greater or 12 is greater? Obviously 12 is greater. So this is the way of comparing. If we are having negative number, let's take any negative number like minus, here from the book itself we will take the example itself. 3 by minus 4 minus 5 by 6. Okay, so in this minus 3 by 4 and minus 5 by 6, we have to compare the numbers. First of all, negative denominator, so we have to change it into the positive denominator. So same procedure, 3 into minus 1 upon minus 4 into minus 1 is equals to minus 3 upon 4. Clear? Then what is the LCM of 6 and 4? No need to take it out, right? Like this, no. Any common number, like 12. 12 comes in both the tables, correct? So to keep the denominator 12, we have to multiply by 2. Minus 10 by 12 minus 3 by 4 into 3 by 3 is equals to minus 9 by 12. Clear? It is not minus here, minus. So minus 10 by 12 and minus 9 by 12. Now tell me which is the greater one, this one or this one? Minus 10 by 12? No, minus 9 by 12. Why? Because in number line, the last topic, last point, number line. This is the point I wanted to tell you. In number line, here it goes like this, positive integers. We move this side. So 1 smaller, then 2, then 3, then 4. greater. Okay, here minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. Here it is opposite, like minus 1 is greater than minus 2, minus 2 is greater than minus 3, minus 3 is greater than minus 4. In negative, the smaller one is the greater one and the greater one is the smaller one. Is it clear? Okay, so now minus 9 by 12 means minus 3 by 4 is the greater one. See the answer. You can see the answer. Minus 3 by 4 is greater than minus 5 by 6. So here's the ascending order also. In ascending also we have to compare. And now let us start our exercise. Fast. First question, express minus 3 by 5 as a rational number with denominator. We have to express minus 3 by 5 as a rational number with denominator. First point, what is the denominator? See, few questions I will do it here and rest of the questions you will do it in your homework. So here, first one, 20. Denominator should be 20. Our number is minus 3 by 5. So for 20, what we have to do? We have to multiply by 4. Answer will be minus 12 by 20. Clear? Then second you do by yourself. Third you do by yourself. Fourth we will do minus 40. So minus 40, just see it properly. Minus plus, just see it properly. Minus 3 by 5. Now we have to multiply by which number, so answer will come in minus. We will multiply by minus 8. So here plus 24 by minus 40. Easy na? No big deal. Very easy exercise. You will do just very fast. Next question is express minus 42 by 98 as a rational number with denominator 7. See it very clearly. Here what they are saying? They are saying express minus 42 by 98. Minus 42 by 98. Denominator 7. Use your mind. Here second property. Which property? And in this which property? First property. You have to mention in the question. You have to write the property in your copy. I'll check it. And second question belongs to second property. Okay, minus 42 by 98. Then you will get the denominator 7. By which number you have to divide 98? You have to divide 98 by, table learn hai? Kisi ko nahi learn. 14 is equals to, multiply, divide. Minus 3 by 7. We'll get the answer. Is it clear? Okay. Next comes third question. Express minus 48 upon 60 as a rational number with denominator 5. Okay. This you will do by yourself. Next, fourth question. Express each of the following rational number in standard form. Standard form, I told you, right? So we'll do the question now. First one, minus 12 by 30. Minus 12 by 30. So standard form, we have to divide it, right? So minus 12 divided by 30. Any number, common number, 6, right? Divided by 6 is equals to minus 2 by 5. Third one, 24 by minus 64. Okay, so here 24, first we have to change the negative denominator into positive denominator. 24 into minus 1 by minus 64 into minus 1 is equals to minus 24 by 64. Okay, now we will divide 24 by 64. divided by any common number, 8. Minus 3 by 8 is the answer. Okay, so B and D is your homework. Clear? Just listen properly what I am giving you homework. I just want to see the homework on separate page and that the classwork on your separate page. Understand it. Now question number 5. Which of the two rational numbers is greater in given pair? Now comparison. I told you about the comparison here. Comparison. So the question is this only. Question number 5. First one. 3 by 8 or 0. I told you right now about the number line. Here number line. So 0 and here it is the positive one. It is given 3 by 8 now, and here it is given 0. So which one will come? Every time positive integer is greater than 0. Here it is given also 2 points. Every positive rational number is greater than 0. Every negative rational number is less than 0. So most of the questions are solved here. See, which is greater? 0. Oh, sorry, 3 by 8. Which is greater? 0, because negative integer. Right? Negative rational number. Then, so these two are solved. Now minus 3 by 4 or 1 by 4. Here denominator is same. So negative number is a smaller or positive number. Which one is greater? Positive is always greater than the negative ones. Then comes minus 5 by 7 and minus 4 by 7. So I told you earlier, this you will do by yourself. 2 by 3 or 3 by 4. Here we'll do it. Fifth one. 2 by 3 or 3 by 4. So LCM 12. 2 by 3 multiplied by 4 is equals to 8 by 12. Here 3 by 4 multiplied by 3 into 3 is equals to 9 by 12. So 8 by 12 and 9 by 12. Which is greater? Obviously 9 by 12 is greater, na? So 3 by 4 is the answer. Clear? Minus 1 by 2 or minus 1? This is a very good question. Let's check who will do it. Okay, I'll not do it. Which of the two rational numbers is greater in the given pair? Same question. Minus 4 by 3 or minus 8 by 7? Same question, no? Both are negative. And in negative I told you